down onto the second floor. So there was the powder room that I was just in, and the living room is over here. So this is the staircase coming down, and another design spot. Type something fun and designy. That's a word, I promise you it is. And this is the master bedroom. So it's a good size for this type of structure. Then you can kind of see there's the view we looked at upstairs. Oh, and there's a bar right there, so that's pretty handy. This is a closet, pretty standard size. Thankfully, it's actually at least the same size or slightly bigger than what we have now. But what I love about it is there's a window in the closet, so you can actually have natural light, but then the same view in the closet, so it's fun. And then that looks down. There's our entrance, the separate entrance right there. The entrance to our place. So back into the bedroom and the master bathroom. So nice big vanity. Again, they use the same wood tone. I'm probably gonna rip this out. I'll talk to you guys about that. But I do like the space, I do like the size. I do like that there are 2 sinks. And I do like that. I'm not a medicine cabinet fan, so those will probably go and get patched up. Toilet, and then the only tile that's in is this tile in the shower. So I will be taking votes on if I should change this tile out or leave this tile. I honestly don't know. I don't hate it, but I definitely don't love it, and I feel like I could do something better. So that might change. It also bothers me that the fixtures here are chrome, and the mirror frame is black, and the front hardware and the doors are black. So I'll probably will end up changing something out to make everything match. Walking out of the master bedroom, this is a little laundry folding area here, lots of storage. I hate it. I'll take this out, it already has nicks in it. So I'll take this out, and at the very minimum, I'm gonna put a quartz countertop on it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this cabinetry or not. That's to be determined, because you guys know I don't love the cabinetry anywhere. But functionality-wise, there's a lot of space here to store things in. So the guest room is on the second floor, second level. There are the units behind us. This is the pathway between, so our garage is right underneath. And then we'll of course put some window treatments here to hide all that. And then that's the guest bathroom. I'll show that to you. Surprise, surprise, same hardware, same cabinetry, same everything, mirror. But it's a good size, and one thing I do like is the tile. I like that it's elongated subway. I might change this grout to like a darker gray, but overall I think and this one has a tub in it, but overall I think this is actually a great design for a shower. And of course I'll put a window treatment there for privacy. So this is the closet in the guest room. It's actually a decent size, and I'll just take all this down and re-outfit it with a closet system. But overall, good size for a guest room. We're gonna probably use this room for an office / guest room, and I would say it's about a 12 by 12, something like that. So it's not too small of a space. So it's pretty good to fit all those things. And I'm thinking we're gonna do some wall covering in here. Okay, so here's the guest room, and then this is another cool spot for maybe a corner, an L-shaped bench would be kind of cool there. A little table in front of it. I don't know, some beautiful art there. And then this leads down to the front entrance, which is the main entrance to the house. So as you see, there's 1, 2, 3 sets of stairs if you count the stairs going up to the mezzanine. So a lot of staircases here. So I will be getting my exercise, and Jax will have to have some doggy gates because he doesn't climb stairs very well. So the best part of this house for me and my business is this. I'm going to show it to you now.